everyone. In your Music Theory Workbooks, Unit 26 introduces the three minor scales. In this lesson, we will look at the differences between the major and natural minor scales. You know from previous lessons that this key signature with no sharps or flats is the key of C major. You also know it's the key signature for the relative minor scale of A minor. This A minor scale is an example of a natural minor scale because it's a scale that only uses the notes from its relative major of C major. The only difference between the A minor scale and the C major scale is that A minor melodies come to rest on the note A. Similarly, C natural minor melodies come to rest on the note C. But their key signature has three flats, which is the same as its relative major of E flat major. You'll notice that the half steps in a C minor scale occur between D and E flat and G and A flat. The half steps in an A minor scale occur in the same locations between B and C and E and F. In fact, in all natural minor scales, the half steps always occur between 2 and 3 and 5 and 6. This is different than major scales, of course, and you know that in major scales the half steps always occur between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1. Major scales are called major, in fact, because of three very important major intervals. All major scales have a major third, a major sixth, and a major seventh. These scale degrees, 3, 6, and 7, are always raised. Conversely, in a minor scale, these three scale degrees are lowered. So minor scales always have a minor third, minor sixth, and minor seventh. This is why they are called minor scales. In this A major scale, the raised third, sixth, and seventh is easy to see because these are the notes that are sharped: C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. An A minor scale, on the other hand, has a C natural, F natural, and G natural, because the third, sixth, and seventh are lowered. You'll remember in the last unit that minor scales have three more flats or three fewer sharps than their parallel major. Looking at these two C scales, you can see the C minor scale has three more flats, an E flat, A flat, and B flat. The reason for these three extra flats happens to be the scale degrees 3, 6, and 7 that are lowered. So if you want to take a C major scale and make it minor, the way to do that is to take the third, sixth, and seventh and lower them. In a C major scale, these notes are natural. So to lower these notes, we'd have to add flats. To take an A major scale and turn it into an A minor scale, we'd lower the third, sixth, and seventh. To do this, first we have to be aware of where the sharps are in this A major scale. And then we lower the third, sixth, and seventh scale degrees by making these sharp notes natural. There, now we have an A natural minor scale. Let's do this one more time. This D scale has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. To make this D major scale minor, we need to lower the third, sixth, and seventh scale degrees. The sharp notes will have to be naturaled, and the natural notes we will make flat. There, now we have a D natural minor scale. This scale has one flat, B flat, which shares the same notes as F major, which is the relative major of the D minor scale. Now read lessons 26.1 and 2 in your workbook and complete the exercises for these lessons. In the next lesson, we will look at harmonic minor scales. My name is Christopher Selby. Thank you for watching this tutorial on music theory for the successful string musician.